Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic PostgreSQL. So let's get started. In PostgreSQL, what is the primary purpose of transaction ID (XID) freezing during the vacuum process? The correct answer is option B, to prevent transaction ID wraparound failure. Which index type is specifically designed for very large tables where data is physically sorted by the indexed column, such as timestamp columns in a logging table? The correct answer is option C, BRIN. When using logical replication, what is the purpose of a replication slot? The correct answer is option B, to ensure the primary does not delete WL files until they are received by the subscriber. Which system view provides information about the current state of auto vacuum workers and the tables they are currently processing? The correct answer is option B, PG_stat_progress_vacuum. In a PostgreSQL lateral join, what unique capability is provided to the subquery? The correct answer is option A. It can access columns of preceding items in the from list. Which parameter in PostgreSQL.SQL controls the maximum amount of memory to be used by internal sort operations and hash tables before writing to temporary disk files? The correct answer is option C, work_mem. What is the effect of the exclusion constraint in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option A. It prevents any two rows from having overlapping ranges or values based on specified operators. Which function is used to manually trigger a switch to a new write-ahead log WL file? The correct answer is option B, PG_switch_wal. In the context of PostgreSQL full-text search, what does its vector represent? The correct answer is option B, a sorted list of distinct lexemes and their positions. Which isolation level in PostgreSQL guarantees that if a transaction sees a version of data, that data will not be modified by any other transaction until the first one completes? The correct answer is option C, repeatable read. What is the toast mechanism handle in PostgreSQL storage? The correct answer is option A. It compresses and stores large field values that exceed the page size. Which PostgreSQL extension is commonly used to provide advanced similarity searching and fuzzy string matching using trigrams? The correct answer is option B, PG_TRGM. What is the primary difference between JSON and JSON data types in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option C. JSON preserves white space and key order, while JSONB does not. Which command is used to create a physical copy of a running PostgreSQL cluster for the purpose of setting up a standby server? The correct answer is option C, PG_base backup. In PostgreSQL 14 and later, which feature allows the planner to cache results of a subquery or inner side of a join to speed up repeated lookups? The correct answer is option B, memoize node. What is the purpose of advisory locks in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option B. to allow applications to define their own locks with application-defined meanings. Which system catalog table stores information about table partitions and their parent-child relationships? The correct answer is option A, PG_partitioned_table. Which GUC parameter determines the minimum number of WL files that will be kept in the PG_WAL directory to allow for potential spikes in write activity? The correct answer is option B, min_wal_size. What is the role of the foreign data wrapper FW in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option A, to allow PostgreSQL to access data stored in external data sources as if they were local tables. In row-level security, RLS, which keyword is used in a policy to allow a user to bypass the policy if they have specific permissions? The correct answer is option C, permissive. Which tool is used to analyze the contents of the write-ahead log WL in a human-readable format? The correct answer is option A, PG_WALDump. What is the fill factor parameter for a table or index control? The correct answer is option B, the percentage of space on each page that will be packed with data during initial insertion. Which PostgreSQL feature allows the creation of statistics that track dependencies between multiple columns to improve query planning for correlated data? The correct answer is option B, create statistics. What is the purpose of the pg_hba.conf file in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option B, to define client authentication rules and access control. Which function allows a user to terminate a backend process by its process ID (PID) gracefully? The correct answer is option C, pg_terminate_backend, PID. In PostgreSQL, what is a wait event, as seen in pg_stat_activity? The correct answer is option B, an indication that a process is waiting for a resource like a lock, I/O, or a socket. Which command is used to reclaim storage occupied by dead tuples and physically reorder the table based on an index? The correct answer is option C, cluster. What is the function of pg_stat_grider system view? The correct answer is option B. It provides statistics about the background writer's activity, including checkpoints and buffer cleaning. When defining a function, what does the parallel safe label indicate to the PostgreSQL optimizer? The correct answer is option B. The function can be executed within a parallel worker process during a parallel query. Which operator is used in PostgreSQL to check if a John value contains another John value? The correct answer is option B, @. Thank you for watching.